What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best micro SD cards in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for a top product and aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars for it, we say check out the Lexar Professional 1000X, the best premium micro SD card available on the market in 2022. The company's micro SD professional cards range is top-notch, offering the highest read and write speeds. In this case, we're talking about 1000X micro SD, or up to 150 megabytes per second. With such transfer speed, you'll even cover the needs of the GoPro Hero 8 Black and all other models. The cards are available in 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes. As you can see, this device truly boasts an ultra-high-speed performance. It includes a micro SD UHS 2 card reader for the file transfer. And if you're passionate about cinema and shooting various types of videos, then this memory card is for you. Offering high versatility for a modern user, you'll be able to save time as much as possible because the memory card is equipped with UHS Speed Class 3 technology, securing those read speeds of up to 1,000 times. With the latest version of the image rescue software, the device can recover most photos and video files even if they're deleted, or if a damaged card is included with the purchase of this memory card. You can rest entirely assured of the model's storage and safety. Also, this is a great option for smartphones, tablets, and sports camcorders. In order to give you maximum compatibility, in addition to UHS iCards, this product is also compatible with older devices while working at speeds of Class 10. This card will help you create a competitive advantage and save time at the same time, which will undoubtedly speed up the entire process of your work. The Lexar Professional 1000X micro SD card comes with a product weight of 0.48 ounces. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it right now. If you're in pursuit of a micro SD card for your phone, we say look no further than the SanDisk Ultra Micro SD card, also known as the best phone micro SD card available on the market in 2022. If you want to have a large storage capacity at your disposal on mobile devices, this model is your winning ticket. The device is listed as a Category A1 and Class 10 memory model, allowing you to manage your content in full HD easily. In addition, it complies with Google compatibility standards and is compatible with devices that support the micro SD XC standard. The transfer speeds are very high, allowing as many as 1,000 photos to be transferred in just 1 minute. This product is memory optimized for apps, especially because it offers high performance, which turns into optical experience on your mobile device. It comes with its own adapter and a large capacity that will allow you to achieve the maximum possible performance. This SanDisk product has very good reviews from certified users, ensuring it works exceptionally as long as you use the adapter that comes with the memory card, achieving high transfer speeds. We must also add that the device works smoothly with Nintendo Switch, offering a large capacity for the console, although it must be formatted in FAT32 format. With its 128 gigabytes of memory, this SD card will allow you to get the most out of all the apps you install. But it doesn't stop there, because the Class 10 feature we mentioned allows users to record and play videos in full HD and shoot at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels without losing quality. Users are generally satisfied with this purchase, but a few of them point out that cards can cause great reading errors if they're subjected to a lot of work. Finally, the SanDisk Ultra Micro SD card weighs 0.16 ounces and measures 0.03 by 0.59 by 0.43 inches. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'd like you to check out on our rundown for today is the Samsung Pro Plus Micro SD card, which deservedly won the title of the best video micro SD card available on the market in 2022. Samsung has harmonized its current range of memory cards with its other data storage products. So if you're a little familiar with the segment of Samsung SSDs, you will quickly find your way in the field of Samsung SD cards. The company is offering its new Pro Plus Micro SD card in 3 different capacity versions, with 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. The 128 model utilizes the UHS-1 protocol, Of course, the card can be used on devices that only have an interface that supports HS, but with reduced performance in that case. And speaking of the performance, Samsung states that this model can deliver up to 160 megabytes per second when using a UHS-1 device. In terms of longevity, Samsung provides a specification of 10,000 writing cycles. With its high data transfer rate, the Pro Plus Micro SD is primarily suitable for applications that operate at higher data transfer speeds. The memory card is therefore ideal, for example, for use in current smartphones or action cameras with 4K-enabled camera sensors, making it a top solution for your videos. Samsung has obviously recognized how annoying it is to lose 128 gigabytes of personal data due to external influences, and therefore has given the Pro Plus Micro SD a whole host of protection mechanisms. The memory card should be able to survive in seawater for up to 72 hours without additional protection. The wide operating temperature range from -25 to +85 degrees Celsius also makes the card interesting for a wide range of applications. The product is also resistant to X-rays and magnetic fields. Micro SD versions of Samsung Pro Plus memory card come with Micro SD to SD adapter, Samsung Pro Plus Micro SD 128GB with adapter. Speaking of performance, the SD delivers what the manufacturer promises. Even with random access to different block sizes, the card is fast on the go. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you're looking for a micro SD card whose main advantage is huge storage, we have specially selected the SanDisk Extreme Plus Micro SD card for you. We can freely say that we're looking at the best high-capacity micro SD card available on the entire market in 2022. The SanDisk Extreme Plus Micro SD card comes with an impressive 256 gigabytes of memory storage, so you'll have enough space for all of your wishes and demands. If you're looking for quick keys for reflex cameras, 4K cameras and camcorders, action cameras, and high-end smartphones, don't miss the SanDisk Extreme Plus. We're looking at a U3 certified product, and according to the manufacturer, up to 10 times faster than other memory cards, going up to 170 megabytes per second to 90 megabytes per second in terms of writing speed. The device is resistant to temperatures from -25 to 85 degrees Celsius, waterproof, shockproof, belongs to Class 10 UHS Speed Class 3 cards, and is designed specifically for shooting in 4K. Also included in the mix is a handy case to store the card when not in use, to protect it from wear and tear. For the micro SD items, a convenient SD adapter was also thrown into the mix. We can now increase the size of the micro SD without losing speed, which is useful for using micro SD even on devices that require the use of standard SD. Not that micro SD is seen as always present in a device that needs extra memory, and the adapter fits well when we have to connect a small card to the computer. Also, in addition to action cameras, this micro SD card will come in quite handy for users with drones and Android smartphones. Consumers also like the fact that they receive a limited lifetime warranty with the product. All in all, the quality-price ratio is undoubtedly excellent. SanDisk is a guarantee in terms of the quality and durability of its memory cards. The SanDisk Extreme Plus Micro SD card weighs 0.81 ounces. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Thanks to a great performance and exceptional features, as well as an excellent price-quality ratio, we can freely conclude that the Samsung Evo Plus Micro SD card is the best overall micro SD card available on the market in 2022. We ranked this SD card as the best because, among other things, we are thoroughly impressed by the amount of space available. With 128 gigabytes, it'll be possible to significantly increase the archive of various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, and digital cameras. Some users bought it and tried it out with the Nintendo Switch console with more than positive results, allowing them to install great games without any hassle. As for the speed, it's about 100 megabytes per second for reading, while for writing it's about 90 megabytes per second. Both parameters are more than enough for fast and efficient use. The Evo Plus protection system guarantees a high level of protection at high temperatures, X-rays, and scanners. Moreover, the IPX7 waterproof certificate gives the product resistance even if immersed in water for more than 72 hours. Samsung is undoubtedly one of the best technology companies, so betting on one of its micro SD cards seems like a good idea, especially if you also have a Samsung smartphone. For the vast majority of users, the Evo Plus will be more than enough. These memory cards are fast enough for GoPro Hero 7 and Hero 8, although that might be fair in 100 megabit Hero 8 black mode. Also, another advantage that users point out is that the included SD adapter fits most devices of any brand, without compromising speed and performance. Additionally, the device allows you to record 4K UHD videos rich in detail. It should be pointed out that the manufacturer provides you with a 10-year warranty, which is quite a lot. The Samsung Evo Plus micro SD card comes in the size of 0.59 by 0.43 by 0.04 inches, while it weighs 0.018 ounces. Overall, this product delivers premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.